On a Sunday, I headed to Beverly Hills to check out the Festival Beverly Hills. This is a family-friendly cultural event featuring performances, art. There were food trucks and stands and vendors selling their cultural themed items. We are here by the Beverly Hills sign, iconic, and it's also featuring this cool installation, the Great Elephant Migration art installation. It's 100 life-size Indian elephant sculptures. They were actually really beautiful. Here I am modeling my jewelry by the elephant sculptures. I got to check out this band and they were really good.